Adding border to a picture. To add a border to a picture, just click on the picture, go to Format, click on Picture Border, and from here you can choose the color of the border and the weight of the border as well. So, for example, if I click on any color, let me choose the green color, and then I can make the weight a little bit thicker. Okay, now you can see this green border is added around the picture. Another thing we can do it is applying a picture style. If we click here, we can see many styles. We can choose any one of those styles available. So let me choose this one, for example. Another thing we can do it with this picture is applying picture effects. So if I go to picture effects, I have many effects like preset, shadow, reflection, glow, soft edge, bevel, and 3D rotation. For example, if I click on shadow, I can choose any one of these shadows. You can notice some shadows is added behind the picture. Another thing, let us try it, is clicking on glow. For example, if I choose this color, you can see we got some glow around the picture. Inserting shapes. To insert a shape, again we click on insert and click on this icon, shapes, and then you can choose one of those shapes. Okay, if I want to insert a shape, let me insert a shape in this place. So I'll go to insert, shapes, then I can choose any one of those shapes. Let me choose this star. So now click and drag the mouse. So this is shape, the shape that I've inserted. We can see we can make it smaller or we can make it bigger. Also, we can use this yellow small box. If we click here, we can get different angles. So like this. Okay. If I inserted another shape, for example, insert shape. If I choose, for example, this, can again draw it here. Okay. Again, we can notice we have this small yellow box, so we can use it to change how the shape looks. To rotate a shape, for example, if I want to rotate this shape, just go here and move it a little bit like this. The same thing with the star, we can rotate it a little bit like this. To change order of shapes. Now, for example, I have two shapes, this one and this one. Let me color this one with another color. I'll go to shape fill. Let me choose the red color. Now, let me move one on top of another. Now you can see the star with the red color is behind this shape. Okay, how can we change the order? If I want to move this red star to be in front of this shape. So to do that, right click, okay, and then click on bring to front and bring to front. You can notice now the star is in front of the shape. Okay, again, if I want to get this again to the front, we can right click, bring to front. Either you can click bring to front or bring forward. The difference is bring forward will move the shape one step, but bring to front, it will put it on front of all of the shapes if we have more than 2 shapes in our document. Okay, this is how it works. Changing to a different shape. Okay, when I click on this, okay, on the star, I can go to edit shape, change shape. So now I can change it to another shape like this. The same thing for this shape. I can click, go to format, edit shape, then you can change to another shape. Let us say I'm going to change it to this shape. Changing the style of a shape. Okay, so again, if I click on this shape, you can go to format, then we have some styles here. So from here we can choose any style that you like for your shape. Okay, if I choose this one, okay, it is done. The same thing if I want to add another style for this one, you can click. Okay, also as we did with the picture, we can change the filling color like this, for example, or the shape outline. We can change the outline, the border around the shape, just by clicking, for example, to the blue color, and then we can change the weight a little bit, so we can see now it is clear that a blue border around our shape. Also, I can apply shape effects. Shadow, for example, if I apply some shadow, we can notice that some shadow is added to this shape. Also, we can use another effect like 3D rotation. Okay,